student, now we'll start the new topics, that is the integral of the form. This is the form, that is the integral px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx and integral px plus q upon in under root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Very interesting topic this is also. Up to this, if you have completed all my lectures very sincerely, then you can understand these topics also very easily. The integral of the form px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx is evaluated by expressing the integral in the form integral a into ddx of ax square plus bx plus c upon ax square plus bx plus c dx plus integral b upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, where a and b are the constant. That is, in this case, we express this numerator, that is px plus q is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b, or in the short form, it is written as numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. म्हणजे या टाइपचे आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन ज्या वेळेस या टाइपचा क्वेश्चन मिळणार आहे आपल्याला इन दिस फॉर्म, तर आपण तो न्यूमरेटर असं एक्सप्रेस करणार. न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल्स टू a into ddx of the denominator plus b. द फर्स्ट इंटिग्रल इज इव्हॅल्युएटेड, म्हणजे हा खालचा इंटिग्रल आपण कसा मिळणार की या डिनोमिनेटरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह वरती आहे, म्हणजे तो लॉग फॉर्म मिळणार. याला आपण t कन्सिडर करणार आणि मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला वर मिळणार. अँड द सेकंड इंटिग्रल, हा जो काही खालचा मिळणार आहे डिनोमिनेटर, आपण हा त्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करणार आहोत. इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म a square plus t square minus a, or a square minus t square, and by applying the methods that we have discussed previously. हा एक टाइप झाला. आणि दुसरा टाइप म्हणजे या इथे असणार आहे. दिस इज दी ऑफ दिस टाइप. फरक याच्यामध्ये एवढाच आहे की इथे रूट साइन आहे, इथे रूट साइन आहे, इथे रूट साइन नाहीये. एवढाच डिफरंट आहे. इट डझंट मॅटर. इंटिग्रल ऑफ द फॉर्म px plus q upon in under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx is evaluated by expressing the integral in this form. Again, the numerator is equals to, that is, a into derivative of the denominator plus b. The same form is here. That integral a into derivative of the denominator upon in under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx plus integral b upon in under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, where a and b are the constant. पुन्हा पहिलं इंटिग्रेशन काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला t कन्सिडर करणार. मग इथे f dash of x upon root of f of x याचं इंटिग्रल 2 times in root of f of x. If you have seen all my lectures very sincerely and regularly, then you can understand. You try to understand. I had explained all the examples in a very simple in a very simple manner. Now this is the also integral. It is, we express this ax square plus bx square in this form. That is the a square plus t in root of a square plus t square minus a square minus t square, and then apply the suitable formula for that. That is, this is the formula in root of a square plus t square in root of t square minus a square in root of a square minus t square. Now also here is a solved examples. I had also these solved examples. I had explained all these examples in this manner. Now see this here. These are the solved examples. Integral of the form px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c and integral px plus q upon in root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now these examples, illustrative examples, that is a 2x minus 3, 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now express this numerator in the form of the denominator, that is a into ddx of the denominator plus b. 2x minus 3. आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार कोणाचा, तर डिनोमिनेटरचा. What is the derivative? Here is a 6x plus 4 plus b, and equate the coefficient of x, that is a 2x minus 3. Here is a 6ax plus 4a plus b. equate the coefficient of these elements, that is the coefficient of x here. हा इथे किती येणार 6ax is equals to 2x, and here is a 4a plus b is equals to minus 3, and therefore a is equals to x get cancel, and you will get a is equals to 1 upon 3, and substitute the value of a, you will get the value of the b. Now here a is equals to 1 upon 3 and b is equals to minus 13 upon 3. Therefore see this, I is equals to integral a into ddx of the denominator plus b. Separate it, then you will get 1 by 3 ddx of the denominator upon d dx plus, what is the value of b? b is a minus 13 upon 3 dx upon d. It's very simple. इथे वरती f dash of x आहे, खाली f of x आहे. Its integral is a log of d. And now express this polynomial. Take 3 as common. x square चा coefficient प्रत्येकदा आपण 1 करतो. Therefore we take the 3 as a common. That is 13 by 3 into 1 by 3 integral dx upon x square plus 4x upon 3 plus 5 by 3. Now here is a 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 असेल तर मग त्याचं सेकंड टर्म किती असणार? इट इज 1 by 2. म्हणजे 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 चा स्क्वेअर 4 upon 9 प्लस आणि मायनस करणार इथे. ऍड अँड सबट्रॅक्ट टू मेक द परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर करण्यासाठी. आता हा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर आला. हे ॲज इट इज असणार या स्टेप्स. आता हा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर आला. कोणाचा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर? x प्लस 2 upon 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, अँड यांचे ऍडिशन करणार, एलसीएम घेणार, 9 येणार, 15 minus 4 that is 11 upon 9, and it is of the form tan inverse फॉर्म मध्ये जाणार आणि नंतर मग ते सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. दिस इज दी सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, हे देखील एक्झाम्पल्स अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. Therefore here I is equals to integral in root of, यामध्ये न्यूमरेटरला जे रूट्स आहे ना ते आपल्याला नको पाहिजे. Therefore we will multiply numerator and the denominator by x minus 5. Here is x minus 5 into x minus 5 is a bracket square, root and bracket square get cancelled. Therefore you will get integral x minus 5 upon in root of x square minus 12x plus 35. Now here is the denominator is a denominator. एकदम शॉर्ट मध्ये पण आपण लिहू शकतो. That the numerator is equals to a into ddx of the denominator plus b, and next is this is the numerator x minus 5, a into ddx of the denominator plus b. Maths derivative na 2x minus 12 plus b. Equate the coefficient of x and the constant. Here is here we will equate the coefficient of x and constant. Therefore 2ax is equals to x. Therefore a is equals to 1 upon 2. Here is a is equals to 1 upon 2. The value of b, that is a minus 12a plus b is equals to minus 5. This is the minus 5. Now here then substitute the value of a here. The value of a is 1 upon 2, that is minus 12 into 1 upon 2 plus b, and simplify this. Then you will get the value of b is equals to 1. Therefore here is a is equals to 1 upon 2 and b is equals to 1. Therefore I is equals to integral a into ddx of the denominator plus b. एकदम शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहिण्यासाठी आहे बघा, आपण सिम्बॉलिकली जर असं लिहिलं तरी चालू शकते. इट डझंट मॅटर. That is a into integral ddx of d upon root of d into dx plus b integral dx upon root of d. मग याचे इंटिग्रल आपल्याला माहिती आहे की f dash of x upon root of f of x is a 2 times a root of f of x. Therefore 2 times in root of d, that is a into 2 root of d plus integral dx upon root of d plus c. हा एक टाइप झाला त्यामध्ये. आणि यानंतर नेक्स्ट इथे बघणार आपण याचाच इंटिग्रल आपल्यासाठी महत्वाचं आहे. दॅट इज इंटिग्रल dx अपॉन इन रूट ऑफ x स्क्वेअर मायनस 12x प्लस 15. नाउ व्हाट इज द मिडल टर्म? मिडल टर्म किती? मायनस 12x. देन व्हाट विल सेकंड टर्म? डिवाइड बाय 2 करायचं याला. मग 6 येणार. मग 6 चा स्क्वेअर 36. मग ऍड 36 सबट्रॅक्ट 36. नाउ दिस इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर. परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर कोणाचा आहे? x minus 6 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर minus 1 and this is of the form. कुठला फॉर्म आहे हा? That is integral in root of x square minus a square, that is the log of x minus 6 plus in root of x minus 6 bracket square minus 1 plus c1. This is our I1 put in this equation. Then या प्रत्येकदा c1 c2 आपल्याला असे मिळत असतात. c1 plus c2, then finally it is a c. 1 upon 2, a ची व्हॅल्यू 2 root of d, that is x square minus 12x plus 15, a log of this quantity. This is the I1. And next is a c1 plus c2, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला c1 plus c2 इथे मिळणार आहे आणि c1 plus c2 साठी आपण 1 सबस्टिट्यूट करणार आहे, c सबस्टिट्यूट करणार, सॉरी, we substitute it as a c. Therefore you will get I is equals to in root of x square minus 12x plus 35 plus log of in bracket x minus 6 plus in root of x square minus 12x plus 35 plus c. हा देखील तसाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे. I is equals to integral in root of x minus 8. पुन्हा न्यूमरेटरला आणि डिनोमिनेटरला x minus 8 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. You will get integral 8 minus x upon in root of 8x minus x square. Again the numerator is equals to a into ddx of the denominator plus b. Therefore, what is the numerator? 8 minus x, a into the derivative of the denominator plus b. Find out its a derivative, that is the 8 minus x is equals to a into 8 minus 2x plus b. Again they equate the coefficient of x and the constant. This is the constant, these are the constant. Coefficient of x is single underline. That is, you will get the value of a is a very simple, it is a 2x is get cancelled. Substitute the value of a here, you will get the value of the b. b is 4, a is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore integral 8 minus x upon root of d, this is the denominator. Now see this integral a into ddx of the denominator plus b, a into integral ddx of d upon root of d dx plus b integral dx upon root of d. Its integral is a 2 times root of d and this is the I1 plus c. मग इंटिग्रेशन फाइंड आउट करणार, मायनस साइन कॉमन काढणार आणि यामध्ये मायनस 16 आणि प्लस 16 x मायनस 4 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि हा कुठला फॉर्म मिळणार आपल्याला? साइन इनवर्सचा फॉर्म मिळणार. Therefore I is equals to a into 2 root of d plus b into I1, the value of the b, and c1 plus c2. But what is the value of b? b is 4 here. We have calculated the value of b is 4 here. Therefore you can get the value of the b plus c, and this is the final answer. Therefore now we will start the exercise 3.2c. This is the last part of exercise 3.2. Now let us start. Exercise 3.2c. Evaluate integral 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Again now here numerator is equals to a into ddx of denominator plus b. Therefore 3x plus 4 is equals to a into derivative of the denominator. What is that? X square plus 6x means 2x plus 6 plus b. Next is equate the coefficient of multiplied here, that is a 2x, 6a plus b, 3x and 4a. These are the and single underline, double underline. What is the value of a? That is a 2a is equals to 3, 2x is equals to 3x, and 6a plus b is equals to 4. Substitute the value. A is equals to 3 by 2 and b is equals to 6 into 3 by 2 plus b. Substitute the value of a. then you will get the value of b is equals to minus 5a is equals to 3/2. Therefore, I is equals to integral 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx a into ddx of the denominator plus a into derivative of the denominator plus b upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Separate this. सेपरेट करणार अपन a into integral ddx of the denominator upon d plus b. Instead of the writing again that same polynomial, we can express this also in the symbolical form, that is a into integral ddx of d upon d. Separate करूँ, that is it. And integration of this is log a into log of d plus integral dx upon x square plus 6x plus 5 that is 3/2 log of d, that is x square plus 6x plus 5 plus the integral of that a into log of d, therefore I have written that is a c1. Now we'll find out the integral of this is I1. X square plus 6x plus 5. This is the I1. X square plus 6x. That is second term is 3 square is 9 plus 9 minus 9. Evaluate this. Integral dx upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 4 means 2 square. And this is of the form x square minus a square. That is 1 upon 2a. 2 into 2 log of x plus 3 minus 2. So by mistake here is a 4, but it is a minus 2. I will replace this. This is of the form integral dx upon x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Till I am not changing it, I will change it. Three by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5. The value of b 1 by b I1 c1 plus c2. 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 1 by 4 log of Let's change it. There is a 2 now. This is a 2. Therefore, here is a x plus 1. Here is a plus 2. 5. Therefore, the answer is now correct. Therefore, I is equals to 3 by 2 log of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 by 4 log of in bracket x minus 1 upon x plus 5. And here is always we write here c1 plus c2 is c. Now see this again here, this example exercise. The same thing is here. Evaluate. तुम्ही याचा स्क्रीनशॉट करू शकताय. न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल्स टू या स्टेप पर्यंत to this step. And you can take also the screenshot of this or write this. Pause करून तुम्ही लिहू शकता या steps. These are the values of A and B. इथपर्यंत होतं की again this. Next step. This is the final answer. I will see the second example. I is equals to integral 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 5 dx. Therefore, numerator is equals to a into d dx of the denominator plus b. That is a 2x plus 1 derivative of the denominator, that is x square plus 4x minus 5 plus b. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 4 plus b. Therefore, 2x plus 1 is equals to 2ax plus 4a plus b. Now equate the coefficient of x, that is a 2x is equals to 2x, therefore a is equals to 1. Next is constant 4a plus b is equals to 1. Therefore 4 into 1 plus b is equals to 1, b is equals to 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. This is the value of the b. Now the integral n upon d is equals to integral a into d dx of the denominator plus b upon denominator. Separate this. A into integral d dx of the denominator upon d dx plus b into integral 1 upon d dx. And this is the log form. F dash of x upon f of x, that is a into log of b plus b into I1 plus c. Now integrate I1. Integral 1 upon d dx. X square plus x square. Integral x square plus 4x minus 5. It's expressed as the second term is 4, add plus 4 minus 4. That is integral dx upon x plus 2 bracket square minus 3 square. 1 upon 2a, so that is 1 upon 2 into 3 log of x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 plus c2. That is equals to 1 upon 6 log of, here is a x minus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c2. This is the I1. I1 is equals to 1 upon 6 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c2. Therefore, from 1, I is equals to a into log of x square plus 4x. That is log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 by 6 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c. Therefore, I is equals to, this is the final answer, log of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 1 upon 2 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c. Now, again, you can see this. If you want to write down these steps for the example number 2, see this, numerator is equals to a into ddx of the denominator plus b. Up to this step you can write. Now the next is, these are the steps. The value of a, value of b, again I is equals to integral numerator upon denominator. Separate this. This is your I1. Therefore, I1 is equals to 1 by 6 log of x minus 1 upon x plus 5 plus c2. And this will be final answer. Again, once again, you can summarize this problem. Now next, problem number 3. I is equals to integral 2x plus 3 upon 2x square plus 3x minus 1 dx. Now again the numerator is equals to 2x plus 3, that is a into ddx of the denominator plus 2x plus 3. Derivative of the denominator plus b. Therefore 2x plus 3. Its a derivative is 4x plus 3 plus b. Multiplied it, equate the coefficient of x and the constant. 2x is equals to 4x, therefore a is equals to 1 upon 2. 3a plus b is equals to 3. Substitute the value of a here. You will get the value of b. b is equals to 3 minus 3 by 2, that is a 3 by 2. A is equals to 1 upon 2, b is equals to 3 by 2. These are the values. Numerator, I is equals to numerator upon denominator into dx. The same form is here. Log of d plus b into I1 plus c. Now I1 is equals to, take 2 as common because the coefficient of x square is 2. आपल्याला x square चा coefficient 1 करायचा आहे. To make the coefficient of x square as 1, therefore we take 1 upon 2 as common. Then you will get x square plus 3 by 2x minus 1 upon 2. Then what will be the second term? Second term is a 3 by 4. Add 9 by 16 and subtract 9 by 16. Now this is the perfect square. Now 17 upon 16 root of 17 upon 4 bracket square. That is 1 upon 2a. That is a is a root of 17 upon 4 log of. This is the answer. That is 1 upon root of 17 log of 4x plus 3 minus root of 17. 4x plus 3 plus root of 17 plus c2. Now substitute there. Therefore, I is equals to a into log of d plus, therefore series. I have substituted the value of I1, that is 3 by 2, 1 upon root of 17 log of 3x plus 4 minus root of 17 upon 4x plus 3 minus root of 17 upon 4x plus 3 root of 17, c1 plus c2. And c1 plus c2 is again a c. That is the final answer. Therefore, this is the final answer. Now again, you can see this problem number 3. How it is up to this step from these two. Yes. Numerator is equals to a into ddx of the denominator. Next is the values of a and b, 1 upon 2, 3 by 2. Express the numerator upon denominator. Separate it. A into log of d plus b I1 plus c1. Now this is I1, that is x square plus 3 by 2x minus 1 upon 2. This is the perfect square. It's a 1 upon 2a log of x plus a minus. This is the x minus a upon x plus a plus c1. And simplify this. Substitute the value of I1. Then you will get the final answer. Now see the next problem. This is a problem number 4. That is the I is equals to integral 3x plus 4 upon in root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Again, numerator is equals to a into ddx of the denominator plus b. 3x plus 4. The value of the denominator is a 2x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x plus 4 is equals to a into ddx of 2x square plus 2x plus 1b. Multiplied it, simplify it. 4x plus 2 plus b. Equate the coefficient of x. 4ax is equals to 3x. Therefore, a is equals to 3 by 4 and b is equals to, that is 2a plus b is equals to 4. This is the value of a. Substitute here. That is 2 into 3 by 2 plus b is equals to 4. Therefore, b is equals to 4 minus 3 by 2. That is equals to, b is equals to 5 by 2. These are the values of a and b. Now again, I is equals to integral n upon root of d. This is the numerator. A into ddx of the denominator plus b upon root of d plus c. Or it is c1. A into integral ddx of d upon root of d plus b integral root of d plus c1 तर याचं इंटिग्रल किती येणार? दॅट इज f dash of x upon root of f of x means 2 times root of f of x, that is a 2 root of d plus b. आणि आपण सेपरेट पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करणार, फाइंड आउट its integral, that is I1. The integral of dx upon in root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1, take 2 as a common, then you will get 1 upon root 2 integral dx upon x square plus x plus 1 upon 2. 1 upon root 2. What is the second term is 1 upon 2. Its a square is 1 by 4. Add 1 by 4, subtract 1 by 4. 1 upon root 2 in root of x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square plus 1 by 4. That is 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 upon 2 bracket square. Here is a 1 upon 2 bracket square, which is formed in root of x square plus a square. Therefore, I is equals to 1 upon root 2 log of in bracket x plus 1 upon 2 in root of x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus C2. I1 is equals to 1 upon root 2 log of x plus 1 upon 2 x square plus x plus 1 upon 2. If we simplify this, then you will get x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 plus C2. Now from 1, that is I is equals to a into 2 root d plus bi1 plus c1 plus c2. Substitute the value of a is a 3 by 2 to 2x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the value of I1, that is 1 upon root 2 log of x plus 1 upon 2 in root of x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 bracket complete, and c1 plus c2 is c. So this is the final answer. This is the answer. Now we'll see again. This is the fourth example. I is equals to integral 3x plus 4 upon in root of 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Denominator, numerator is equals to a into d dx of the denominator plus b. Express it. These are the steps. The value of 3x, 4x. 2a plus b is equals to 4. The value of a is 3 by 4 and b is equals to 5 by 2. Again, I is equals to integral numerator upon dt, root of d dx. Again, integral a into d dx of denominator plus b upon root of d. Separate it. This is the separation. Now integral of this. Take 2 as common, it becomes root 2. Second term is 1 upon 2. Its a square is 1 by 4. Add, subtract. Now this is the x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. It is of the log form. If you simplify, you will get x square plus x plus 1 upon 2 c2. And last is the answer. Now the next is example number 5. I is equals to integral 7x plus 3 upon in root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. I is equals to integral. It is of the form, that is integral numerator upon root of d dx. Numerator is equals to, again, numerator is equals to into d dx of the denominator plus b. 7x plus 3 is equals to into derivative of the denominator, that is a 3 plus 2x minus x square plus b. That is a 2 minus 2x plus b. Find the coefficient of x. 7x plus 3 is equals to minus 2x plus 2a plus b. Equate it. X get cancelled. A is equals to minus 7 upon 2. And b, what about the b? That is, we'll find out b after substituting the value of a. Second equation is the 2a plus b is equals to 3. Substitute the value of a. Just the value of b is 10. Value of a is minus 7 by 2. Again, I is equals to integral a into derivative of the denominator plus b upon root of d. Separate this. I is equals to a into integral derivative of the denominator upon root of d dx plus b integral dx upon root of d. And next the integral is a 2 times root d. This is the formula that we have learned in the previous exercise. Integral f dash of x upon root of f of x is equals to 2 times root of f of x plus c. In the same way here. Now to evaluate this integral, this is the, now evaluate I1 dx upon integral dx upon in root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Take minus sign common from these two terms, last two terms, then you will get x square minus 2x upon 2. The second term is 1, 1 square is 1. Here actually we are subtracting minus 1, balanced by plus 1. Now this is the perfect square. See this here, x minus 2x plus 1, this is the perfect square. It's x minus 1 bracket square. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is I1 is equals to sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus c2. I is equals to a into 2 root of d plus b I1 plus c1 plus c2. What about the c1 plus c2? As you can see, substitute the value of, here we have substituted the value of I1, that is sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2. c1 plus c2 is c. A 2 get cancelled. I is equals to minus 7 root d plus again we will substitute the value of d again, that is this substitute, that is minus 7 in root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. This is the answer, that I is equals to minus 7 in root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 into sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Again we'll see here example number 5. These are the steps up to this. Next is numerator is equals to a into dx of denominator plus b. Find out the value of a and b, a, b. Express this integral numerator. Separate this. You will get the integral of this. I1 is equals to integral dx upon root of d. Find out this integral. Take minus sign common from these two terms. Then you will get x square minus 2x. Divide this 2x upon 2, that is 1. 1 square is 1. Actually we are subtracting minus 1. It's a balance by plus 1. Therefore integral dx upon in root of 4 minus x minus 1 bracket square. It is a sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 plus c1. Therefore I is equals to a into 2 times root of d plus b I1 plus c1 plus c2. And hence this is the final answer. Now the next example. This is example number 6. I is equals to integral in root of x minus 7 upon x minus 9 multiplied n and d by x minus 7. न्यूमरेटरला आपण तो रूट साइन जाऊ देणार, त्यासाठी x minus 7 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आणि रूट गेट कॅन्सल, यू विल गेट x minus 7 आणि न्यूमरेटर मध्ये रूट मध्ये पॉलिनॉमियल मिळेल आपल्याला, दॅट इज x स्क्वेअर minus 9x minus 7x plus 63 dx. Evaluate it. Integral x minus 7 upon in root of x square minus 16x plus 63. Then what will the second term is 8. 8 square 64. Again numerator is equals to n to d dx of the denominator plus b x minus 7 a into d dx of that is x square minus 16 plus 16x, not 16. Here is x minus 7. It's a derivative to x minus 16 plus b. Equate the coefficient of x and the constant. To x minus 16 plus b. Therefore, here a is equals to 1 upon 2. That is 2x is equals to x. Now, to find out the value of b, minus 16a plus b is equals to minus 7. That is minus 7 minus 8 plus b. Therefore, b is equals to 1. I is equals to integral a into derivative of the denominator plus b upon root of d. The value of a is 1 upon 2 integral d dx of d upon root of d plus b 1 upon root of d dx, that is 1 upon, that is a 2 root of d, this is I1, 2 get cancelled, root d plus di1. Now I1 is equals to dx upon root of d. The value of d is I1 is equals to integral dx upon in root of x square minus 16x plus 63. Now the second term is 8, 8 square is 64 plus 64 minus 64, you will get minus 1. That is x minus 8 bracket square minus 1 square, and this is the log form in root of x square minus a square, that is a log of x minus 8 plus in root of x minus 8. This is the I1, that is the log of in bracket x minus 8 plus in root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus c2. Therefore, I is equals to root of d plus I1 into I1 plus c1 plus c2. The value of I1, that is a log of x minus 8 log of x minus 8 in root of x square minus 16x plus 63. Therefore, I is equals to, this is the final answer, in root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus log of in bracket x minus 8 in root of x square minus 16x plus 63 plus c. This will be final answer. Now, next is, see this example number 6 here. in root of multiply and dy x minus 7. You will get integral x minus 7 upon in root of x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63. That is integral x minus 7 in root of x square minus 16x plus 63 integral n upon root of d. Numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. X minus 7a into ddx of the denominator plus b. Find out the values of a and b by using this. A is equals to 1 upon 2 and substituting the value of this a here, you will get the value of b is 1. Now express this integral. I is equals to integral a into derivative of the denominator plus b. Then separate this, the first integral, and this is the second integral. That is what substitute the value of a 1 upon 2 integral derivative of denominator upon root of d dx plus b integral 1 upon root of d dx, and this is I1. Now its integral is a 2 times root of d. These 2 get cancelled. This is the root of d plus b I1. Now integral of I1. I1 is equals to integral dx upon root of d x square minus 16x plus 63. 8 square 64 plus 64 minus 64 minus 1 square x minus 8 bracket square minus 1 square. This is the log form. That is the log of x minus 8 plus in root of x minus 8 bracket square minus 1 square plus c2, and you will get this is the final answer. Therefore, now the next problem number 7. I is equals to integral in root of 9 minus x upon x dx multiplied n and dy 9 minus x. म्हणजे आपल्याला न्यूमरेटरला रूट साइन नको पाहिजे, म्हणून त्यासाठी आपण प्रत्येकदा या टाइपच्या एक्झाम्पल साठी मल्टिप्लिकेशन करत असतो. तर I is equals to integral 9 minus x upon in root of 9x minus x square dx this is our numerator again. Numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. Therefore 9 minus x is equals to ddx of denominator, which is 9x minus x square plus b. 9 minus x, it's the derivative 9 minus 2x plus b. Equate the coefficient of x and the constant. 9 minus x, 9a minus 2ax plus b. That is 9 minus x. This is a 9a plus b minus 2ax. Now equate the coefficient. That is a minus 2x is equals to minus x. Therefore, 2a is equals to 1, a is equals to 1 upon 2. 9a plus b is equals to 9. A is equals to 1 upon 2. Substitute the value of a 1 upon 2. You will get the value of b. b is equals to 9 minus 9 by 2. That is the 9 by 2. b is equals to 9 by 2. Therefore, numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. 9 minus x. Substitute the value of a, which is 1 upon 2. Therefore, I is equals to integral upon root of 9x minus x square a into derivative of the denominator upon root of d plus dx plus b integral dx upon in root of d. Now this is the 2 times root of d, the value of b, and to the denominator is 9x minus x square. Now we will evaluate the integral. Substitute the value of a 1 upon 2. These two get cancelled. You will get root d 9 by 2 integral dx upon. Take minus sign is common. That is a minus x square minus 9x. What is the second term? Second term is 9 by 2. Add 9 by 2 square. Subtract 9 by 2 square. This is the I is equals to root d 9 by 2 integral that is dx in root of x square minus 9x. 9 by 2 square means what? 81 upon 4, and here is a 81 upon 4, and it is of the sine inverse form. Substitute the value of d, that is a 9x minus x square 9 by 2 integral, and 9 by 2 integral dx upon 9 by 2 bracket square minus x minus 9 by 2 bracket square, and this is the sine inverse of form 9 by 2 sine inverse of x upon a, that is x minus 9 by 2 upon 9 by 2. Simplify it, plus c, that is root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 9, 2x minus 9 upon 9 plus c, 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 9 upon 9 plus c. This is the final answer. Now we can see this here. The example number 7. I is equals to integral in root of 9 minus x upon x multiplied and divide 9 minus x. Integral 9 minus x upon in root of 9x minus x square. Numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b 9 minus x a into it's a derivative 9 minus x square plus b derivative 9 minus 2x plus b. Find out the coefficient of x and the constant. That is a minus 2x is equals to minus x, a is equals to 1 upon 2, 9a plus b is equals to 9. Substitute the value of a, you will get the value of b is 9 by 2. Therefore, numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b 9 minus x, a into its derivative the 9 minus 2x plus b. I is equals to this integral, and then separate this, then you will get the integral of this is 2 times root of d plus 9 by 2, and we will find out the integration of this separate. That is 1 upon 2, the value of a 2 root d 9 by 2 integral dx upon. From this take minus sign as common, then you will get minus x square minus 9x. What is second term? 9 upon 2, that is 9 by 2, its square is 81 upon 4. Therefore we subtract here and add here 81 by 4. Now this is the 9 by 2 integral dx upon 9 by 2 bracket square minus x minus 9 by 2 bracket square, and this is the sine inverse form. Therefore 9 by 2 sine inverse of 2x minus 9 upon 9 plus c, and this is the final answer, that is in root of 9x minus x square plus 9 by 2 sine inverse of, I think that I forget to write here, it's a 9x, that is a minus x upon, and writing is not proper, plus c. This is the final answer. Now the next is example number 8. I is equals to integral 3 cos x upon 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x minus 1 dx. Here we substitute sin x is equals to t. Therefore, it's a derivative cos of x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral dt upon 4t square plus 4t minus 1. Take 4 as common. 1 by 4 integral dt upon t square plus t minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 dt upon t square plus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 and again minus 1 by 4. That is second term is 1 upon 2. Its a square is a 1 by 4. Here is a 1 by 4 integral dt upon t plus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 2 by 2 and this is the x square minus s square form, that is 1 upon 2a 1 by 4 integral dt upon t plus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 1 upon 2 bracket square. Something is wrong. That is 3 is, I had not written 3. At 1 by 4 3 upon 2 into 1 upon root 2 log of in mod of t plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon root 2 upon t plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus c, and then simplify this. Now here is a 2 upon root 2, that is the root 2 will be there, that is 1 upon, that is 3 upon 4 root 2, and this simplify here, then you will get that is a 2t plus 1, that is we simplify 2 root 2 log of the LCM is 2 root 2t plus 1 plus root 2 minus 2 upon 2 root 2t plus root 2 plus 2 plus c, and this is the final answer. That is 3 by 3 upon 4 root 2 log of 2 root 2. Substitute the value of t, that is sin x plus root 2 minus 2 upon 2 root 2 sin x plus root 2 plus 2 plus c. This is the next example. Example number 8. I is equals to integral 3 cos x upon 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x minus 1. Here is a substitution sin x. So derivative is cos x is here. Therefore, cos x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, our integral changes. That is I is equals to integral 3t upon 4t square plus 4t minus 1. Therefore, here is 1 by 4 integral 3 dt upon t square plus t minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 integral dt upon the second term is 1 upon 2. Its square is 1 by 4. Add 1 by 4, subtract 1 by 4. Here is the original 1 by 4. Now here is a that is a t square plus t plus 1 by 4 is a perfect square. That is a t plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. And here 1 up minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. It will become 2 by 4, which is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is the square of 1 upon root 2 bracket square. And it is of the form x square minus a square. Therefore, it is a 1 by 4, 3 upon 2 into 1 upon a. 1 upon a means what? 1 upon root 2 log of. This is x minus a upon x plus a. And simplify it. Therefore, you will get that is a 3 upon 4 root 2 log of 2 root 2t plus root 2 minus 2, 2 root 2 t plus root 2 plus 2 plus c. Resubstitute the value of t, which is sin x. Therefore, I is equals to 3 upon 4 root 2 log of 2 root 2 sin x plus root 2 minus 2, 2 root 2 sin x plus root 2 plus 2 plus c. And this is the final answer. Now the next is this last example. I is equals to integral in root of e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. Take e raised to 2x as common, then you will get in e raised to 2x, e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. Now root of e raised to 2x means e raised to x in root of e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1. Put e raised to x is equals to t. Therefore, e raised to x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, I is equals to integral e raised to x into dx is dt. Therefore, t minus 1 upon t plus 1 dt. Not dx, it is a dt. T minus 1 multiplied n and d by t minus 1. Numerator and denominator t minus 1 ने multiplied करना. This is the dt. Therefore, you will to the numerator you will get t minus 1. It's a bracket square, would get cancelled. Therefore, it's a t minus 1 upon in root of t square minus 1 dt. Again, numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. Here denominator is a t square minus 1, numerator is a t minus 1. Always we define like this. Therefore, numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b, and the denominator is a t square minus 1, b t minus 1, a 2t minus derivative of 1 is 0. Equate the coefficient of t. 2at is equals to t. Therefore, a is equals to 1 upon 2 and b is minus 1. Therefore, numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. Therefore, our integral, the value of a, derivative of the denominator b is minus 1 upon root of t square minus 1. Separate this, that is 1 upon 2 derivative of the denominator upon root of d dt minus dt upon in root of t square minus 1 dt. Therefore, 1 upon 2 root of d minus log of integral of this is very simple, t plus in root of t square minus 1 plus c. Now, substitute the value of t, d, 2 get cancelled, you will get root d minus log of t plus in root of t square minus 1 plus c. The denominator t square minus 1 minus log of in bracket t plus root of t square minus 1 plus c. Substitute the value of t. Put t is equals to e raised to x. Therefore, I is equals to e raised to 2x minus 1 minus log of e raised to x plus in root of e raised to 2x minus 1 plus, and this is the answer. In this way, all the examples up to the example 1 to 9 clear. Now see this again here, the example number 9. I is equals to integral in root of 3x minus e raised to 3x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus 1. Take e raised to 2x as common. Its a square root is e raised to x in root of e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x plus 1 dx. E raised to x is t. Its a derivative e raised to x into dx is equals to dt. I is equals to integral in root of t minus 1 upon t plus 1 dt. Multiplied n and d by t minus 1. Therefore, this will become square and root get cancelled. You will get t minus 1 upon root of t square minus 1. This is the denominator and numerator. Numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator plus b. T minus 1 into a into derivative of the denominator. That is a t square minus 1 plus b. This is a 2t plus b. Compare the coefficient of t and the constant. Here is a 2at is equals to t. Therefore, a is equals to t is equals to 2at. A is equals to 1 upon 2. B is equals to minus 1. This is the numerator. Integral t minus 1 upon in root of t minus 1. And 1 upon 2 derivative of the denominator minus 1. Separate these. Therefore, you will get 1 upon 2 times root of d minus log of in root of integral of this in root of t square minus 1 is log of t plus in root of t square minus 1 plus c. And overall, you will get in root of t square minus 1 minus log of t plus in root of t square minus 1 plus c. Resubstitute the value of t, which is e raised to x. Therefore, I is equals to in root of e raised to 2x minus 1 minus log of e raised to x plus in root of e raised to 2x minus 1 plus c. And in this way, we have completed the series of exercise 3.2 A, B, C. Now we'll see in the next topics, that is the integration by parts. Till then, goodbye.